May nag-adapt?
May naman nag-adapt. Ayun.
Sa pangalawa.
The second book.
The second? Wow!
Yay! Dito tayo. Dali natin dito si Stuffy. Nakalagay lang sa carrier.
Wow!
Dito kayo.
Congratulations!
Ay,
Kaya naman yan. Congrats! What's her name? Joan?
Invite nyo yung mga viewers natin.
Congratulations! Madam just adopted. This is her second adoption of the day. She adopted Joni. Did you name her or her name was Joni?
Joni found her forever.
Ay, ikaw si Joni. Joni is
Kaya si Miss Joni and siya si Stuffy.
Congratulations!
Stuffy now has her forever home. Babae mo ba? Stuffy, a boy. Wala.
Congratulations!
Come na here at Key Studios for the
Pet Care Day!
Pet Care Day.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you, attorney.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, pa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go check the spay. Let's spay the rabies.
Yeah.
So here they're doing the rabies shot. Wait, this is Sarah. We're doing the rabies shots.
And it's for free, di ba?
It's for free also. So
Yes.
rabies shots. Hi, Doc. Hi, guys. Hi, ma'am. Hello po. Dami na, marami na.
Marami na ba?
Wow, dami na. And we're doing free rabies shots today for all the pets. So marami na, look. That's all the pets. Yes, ako rin kaya.
Prepare na po namin.
Pwede ba ako?
Best friend ako.
Ibang rabies shot ba for the human and for the dog? Ibang klase. Ayos. Taga saan kayo, ma'am? Anong hospital? Anong vet? Anong clinic?
AKF Tapas.
Oh, everybody's from AKF?
Yes.
Wow. So we have volunteers from AKF doing all the rabies shots this morning.
There.
Cool, thanks to them. Say hi to the camera, everyone. Hi! Camera. Ayos. What do you want? Yeah, go. And then, hey, guys.
Nakalive.
Ang guwapo. And how are you feeling?
Good, good. How are you feeling?
I'm good. I love pets. Do you love pets?
I love pets. So we're here today at G Studios. We have our pet care day. So we have
Charging.
as of 11:15, we have 2 adopted pets already, and we have more than 20 pets being not vaccinated, vaccinated with anti-rabies shots. So thanks everybody for coming. We hope up to 5 p.m. we're gonna get more and more adopted dogs.
And cats.
And cats. Adopt, spay, neuter.
Yes.
Either.
Adopt, don't?
Shop.
Yes. Very good.
I already shopped, so it's next up.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Gia ko din.
Goes.
Ganunin mo muna. Oh, pag ako yung natamaan mo, sis. Ewan ko na lang.
At least
I should have.
At least may ano ka.
Dalawang ARV na.
May booster ka
Proud
na.
na yung owner talaga sa akin.
Tayo mo katapos na. Document? Okay.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Baby. Baby, come. Bob. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? Today we have here our pop star princess.
Wow.
And you are? And you are? Who are you? Sorry. Who are you? Who are you?
Ako po si Sarah Geronimo.
And today we
Isa lang
are
po normal na Filipino citizen.
Okay. And this is your first ever pet care day. What can you say?
Siyempre proud ako for my team. No? This is our advocacy para sa animal welfare. And yes, siyempre lahat naman tayo dumaan dun sa phase na we wanna shop. No? But it's good to be aware na ang dami-dami mga animals who are in need of shelter, yung talagang forever home nila, alagaan sila. So please come, join us dito po sa ating Pet Adoption Day. Merong mga free vaccination for your pets. For your pets only, ha? So come na!
Thank you.
Yes, thank you!
Woo! Miss Sarah, everyone! Yeah!
Wala na iba. Sarah, ano ba? Wala na kayong dalawa. Sige, dalawa. Ayaw ko sa'yo. Ang dami daw. Kinakabahan na. Kinakabahan na. Yes, yes. Ay, teka lang.
But then we had a big donor from the States and gave enough money to build all the pipe for them for 109.
Kasi they fight talaga. They
Gave them 200
obviously it's illegal, right?
It's illegal. But you know, it still goes on because it makes money. That's the hard
Online shop.
Yeah.
May ganun din.
May ganun, yeah. It's like online shop.
They also have an online dog fight.
Yeah.
Online, international.
International.
That's why it made them so much money.
Maybe Tita and they rescue pit bulls, Philippine pit bulls. I was ran by Korean. Your help with the car.
They just arrested them. And before we knew it, we had 260 people. I didn't even get it.
So how did you sustain that 200 pit bulls?
When
Donation.
reached us, it was 109.
invite them. Invite them.
Please adopt our adoptables. They're so cute. Happy.
Guys, adopt nyo na guys. Oh guys, invite them. Invite the viewers.
Invite you.
Invite nyo mag-adopt. Go, go, go. Oh, go, Shante.
Invite people. Guys, adopt, don't shop. It starts now. Make a change. Save lives. Arf, arf! Paano pagkat?
Bambi, Bambi. Guys, open for adoption. Friends, ano nga sila? Open for adoption.
You're
right?
open for adoption. Come by at G Studios today, September 15th from 10 a.m. We're here until 5 p.m.
Oh, nice.
Chico.
Excuse me, we're live now. Can you invite the viewers lang?
Hi! We are from PETA Asia. Our project is Ampon Alaga, a rescue group of project of PETA Asia. And you can, please join us and meet our adorable adoptable dogs. So we have here 4 rescued puppies and they are all up for adoption. They are fully vaccinated and it's all for free. And we also have 1 kitten here that is up for adoption. So this is Buchi. She was rescued sa isang creek sa Taguig, almost drowning, all wet, crying some loud. That's why we swam to the creek just to fix her. And now she's doing good and fully vaccinated and up for adoption. So please, considering adopting rescued animals, so adopt, go shop, and thank you again.
We're live now. Can you invite them?
Okay. Sorry. Hi everyone, we are here at the G Studios. We are from the Animal Kingdom Foundation. So both 5 adorable dogs and also we have cats. But one of our cats is already dead. And 4 more left dogs po and also 2 cats more left. So I'm inviting you here to come over, and also we have free anti-rabies vaccines for your pets, for your dogs and cats. And you can visit our booth also here at the G Studios. Maraming salamat po.
Pau, Pau. Sorry.
It's alright, no worries.
Uno.
Bakit ba yung light sauce sa likod? Light sauce.
Hindi naman.
Picture daw po tayo sa video sa Nasaan siya? Ayun po. Pero...
So Paolo got his Uno injected, and Uno was so nervous he pooped everywhere. All his fault.
It's alright.
Make him feel bad. It's okay. Make him feel bad. It's your fault, bro.
Be responsible.
Hi, Uno.
Stop.
Yeah.
Sorry.